Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my easy Spanish rice. So what you're going to need is a cup of rice, onion, garlic, can of tomato sauce, a can of tomato paste, salt, pepper, seasoned salt, and some olive oil. First step, you're gonna go ahead and chop half of your onion. And this is actually optional. You can use a real onion or you can actually use onion powder, whichever you prefer. So now that we're pretty much done chopping our onion, we're gonna go ahead and grab a pan, add some olive oil, and then we're gonna add our onions and saute them for about a minute or so. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab the rice and brown it for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped garlic. You can add however much you want. I like to use a lot of garlic, so that's what I did here. And then I'm gonna show you guys a trick here that I learned. So you get your water and you actually place it in the microwave. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna help your rice cook a little faster. Now I grab my rice cooker and I'm gonna go ahead and add all the ingredients in it. First, I'm gonna start with the water. Next, I'm going to pour about 3/4 of the tomato sauce into the pan. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of seasoned salt, and mix that around. And now it's time to add our tomato paste. I added about half of the can, just however much you would like. It just helps to give it more flavor. And then we're just gonna go ahead and cook it in the rice cooker. What I love about the rice cooker is it cooks very well. You don't have to pay attention to it. Just whenever it's done, it's done. But if you don't have a rice cooker, you can go ahead and add the same ingredients, same steps into a regular pan and cook it covered for about 20 minutes and you'll get the same result. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a fancy way to serve your rice. If you wanna impress anyone, you know, don't say I didn't ever teach you anything. So yeah, that's how I make my Spanish rice. I'll go ahead and leave the recipe in the description box below. So go ahead and comment down below if I should make some more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.